Hey folks, Mac T, and guess what? It is that time to figure out who won by guessing how many items are in my center console. Now, I got a few items in here, and it doesn't look completely full. And I got another camera. I'm gonna put it on YouTube after I'm done with all this. But I got another camera that is focused on my dash center console so that you can see I'm not playing sleight of hand when I post it on YouTube and whatnot. But just trying to get folks gathered up here because I'm going to start counting what's in here, and we can see where we're going. Again, each individual item counts as one. So some of you guessed pretty high, some of you guessed awful low. So we'll see what we end up with. I'm not gonna, start picking out the specks of dust or glitter that happen to be in here, but we'll definitely count all the items. So anyway, I guess you guys really want to know what's actually in my center console. Gosh, I really don't know, but I'll try to count them. And you guys keep me honest, remind me what's going on, and we'll get started. First items first. Let's see. 1 SD card. 2 SD card. 3 SD card. 1 charging cable. 2 charging cable. 1 charging device. So that means we have 6 now. 7, yeah, the coin holder. 8, operator's manual for dash cam. 9, 1 piece of paper. 10, 1 package of Kleenex. 11, 1 bandana. 12, 3M tape. 13, more Kleenex. My wife must be in the car occasionally. 13, 14, 1 pen. 15, 1 pencil. 16, 1 piece of plastic thingy. 17, another piece of paper. 18, another piece of paper. 19, 20, 2 cards to Mact. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42 business cards. Yes, 42 so far. There's more here. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. You guys are probably wondering, why do I have 64 business cards? That's why. Isn't she beautiful? She's my assistant at work, and I carry her cards to give them out. 65, right? Or 64, I forget. You guys tell me what I left off at. Anywho, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Almost done. 75, 76, 77, 78. Again, isn't he a handsome guy? 78. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 83. 84, one package of batteries. 85, sunglasses, 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95, 96, 97, 98. 99. 100, 101. 102. 103. That's aspirin. 103. 104. Earplugs. 104. 105. That's it, folks. 105 items of various stuff that I would say is more akin to garbage garbage than anything else. So anyway, 105, right? That's what we stopped at. So whoever guessed closest to 105 wins. So I'll have to go through because there's like 266 guesses. So 105, wasn't as many as you thought, but wasn't as low as you thought either. And anyway, that's all I have in there, and guess we'll figure out who actually won this wonderful stuff for this OBDLINK MX Plus. That's right, $100 value for you. Just once I go through the list and see who got closest, then I will determine based on who got closest or got the exact number. And if there is double numbers, the first person to guess it down the list, of course, by date will be the winner. So if there's a double number, if that number is before your guess, that person that guessed before you wins. So that's how that's going to work.